Today I'm going to show you how to auto-forward incoming text messages from your iPhone to a Microsoft Teams channel. And this is really straightforward, just takes a few minutes of setup and you can get going. One common use case is that you have a shared account with your team, like an Amazon account, a bank account, or some other service that requires a one-time authentication code that arrives on your phone to log in into the account. Usually that would mean one person on the team gets the code and now has to scramble to share it with the other team member within a certain time window. With a few steps, you can automate this so that every authentication code goes directly into your Microsoft Teams channel. The first step is to install the Forward SMS app. You can find that on forwardsms.com or just by searching Forward SMS on the App Store. From here, we're going to create a new integration. We're going to pick Microsoft Teams. And now we have to set up a new workflow in our Microsoft Teams channel. You can do this on your phone or on your computer. You go to the channel you want to send your messages to, right-click Workflows, and search for the word webhook. We're going to create a new webhook workflow. Select the connection, the account connection. And from here, we should be able to select the Microsoft Teams channel we want to forward to and create the workflow. This will give us a URL link here that we copy back to our phone into the URL field. Now name the integration and test that the message actually arrives. And here it is. Now the connection between our phone and Microsoft Teams stands. There's one step left that is really important, which is creating a shortcuts automation to make sure that the message, each incoming message gets automatically forwarded to Microsoft Teams. And there's a guide in here in the app to set this up in just a minute, but I will walk you through this to make it a little bit easier. The first step is we have to open the Shortcuts app on your phone and go to the Automation tab. We can click on Shortcuts here. And then we click on New Automation. We pick Message from the list of triggers. And now we can decide if we want to forward messages from a specific sender or messages that contain a specific phrase. I'm going to pick the message contains trigger here and forward all messages that contain the word code in it. I'm going to select run immediately so I don't have to confirm this each time. Click on next. From here, we are going to create a new blank automation and search for Forward SMS in the list of actions. Now comes a little bit tricky part. We click into the message field. Then we, in the toolbar above our keyboard, we scroll to the right and we should see shortcut input here. Tap on this. That's it. Click on done and we can see we have our shortcuts automation set up for every new incoming text message to be forwarded to our Microsoft Teams channel. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments or reach out on forwardsms.com.